Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you how to set up this VirtualBox application. So I will provide the link on my description below. So you need to install which version you're actually using or platform you're using. In my case, I'm using Windows platform, so basically I need to install this. So I managed to install the application itself. It's really straightforward installation. Once you install the application, it will look like this, right? So so let's start preparing one more machine in this tutorial, because I'm running one here, right? So first things first, you need to click new. All right, so this is the computer name. I'll just put here dummy 2. Then you must find a location for this virtual machine. So I've actually created my location not in C drive. So what I'm doing this because if something's wrong with your operating system or your C drive, at least you can easily rerun that image or a virtual machine. So in this case, I will put my new virtual machine on my personal drive, which is this one. And I've created a while ago this folder named virtual machine. So this is dummy 1. I can just copy this link and just paste it here. Alright, so which type of operating system or platform I'm using? Of course, Windows. Then I'm using a Windows 10 64-bit. Alright, so once everything was settled here, you just click next. Alright, so this is the part where you decide how many RAM you're actually putting in on that virtual machine. Basically, what RAM you have, it will automatically reflect here. In my case, because I do have 32 GB, so it reflecting to me 32 something here. So most probably I'll just put 4 here, so I do have a decent speed, but the basic is to something which is by default it will show here. So this is the minimum requirements for this operating system, but of course I want a decent speed on my virtual machine, so I'll just make it a 4 since I do have an extra, and this one I put 4 as well. So once this one is complete, then just hit next. Alright, in this part you need to set up the hard drive. Yes, I want to create a virtual disk for this. So basically because I need to install operating system, so I supposed to have a hard drive, right? If you select this, then definitely you cannot install anything, obviously. So create hard drive here. The third option is actually if you, for example, you do have existing virtual hard drive, you can actually just recreate or reclone this virtual machine. But for now, I don't use this because this one is running over here. So okay, I just want to recreate a new one. Then you need to select which type. Right, so normally for my training, I will just use this image. Then of course dynamic. Alright, so this is where you can actually decide what size you want to put in your virtual machine. On my testing, nothing much I want to do on that machine, so I'll just put 25 GB since I still have a huge number of space here. Yeah, 35 it should be fine. Then just create this. Alright, so once it's created, this is my second virtual machine. Alright, now I need to do a setup. So in order for you to set up, make sure you turn off this machine first. You can actually amend or change the specs on your machine later on by right clicking this and go to settings. Then from here you go to system tab. From here you can amend your memory, specification, processor. Yep. So you can choose how many cores you want for this virtual machine, and what you have is will reflect here. For example, you do have 16 CPUs. In my case, I do have 8 CPUs, so it will automatically reflect here. So I need to load some operating system on this machine, so I need to do some configuration on my storage. So in this case, I'm using this disk, which is image disk. So what I'm going to do, I need to trace my operating system. Let me go to media, not here, my storage, support, Microsoft and operating system. Okay, so I can actually choose this operating system. Just copy the entire address, then just paste it here in my. Alright, since I've done it a while ago, it automatically goes here. Then I will select this. Alright, so once this one is settled, now I need to make sure that this is primary bootable. So how to do that, you go back to system. You don't need floppy disk, so you can just bring this one down. This is the optical, so this is good for me. Then I can start my imaging. So let me double check everything first before I start. Alright, so I'm good. So now I can hit this one, okay, and select dummy 2, then start. Alright, so it will pop up this automatically detect your disk. So I do have this Windows 10 Pro 64-bit. Then I'll just hit start again here. Then it will run as normal. Okay, the one is almost done. Alright, so here this is actually the standard procedure how you install operating system on your machine. So you just go through on this install. Alright, so just accept this and next. Go to advanced, just make sure that this is selected. Alright, so once everything was settled, you select the 24.5 GB. So click next, then that's it. It will run automatically. I'll get back to you after this installation, then I'll show you what's the output of this. Definitely I will receive some slowness here because I'm running two virtual machine now, and aside from that I'm running some applications. So here, let me just show it to you. So I run few applications as well. So yeah, let me get back to you. Yeah. Hello guys, so I completed the installation for the Windows 10. So basically, yep, this is your fresh window. So from here you can do your own testing. Today I'm going to teach you how to add some memory on your machine and processor as well. Before that, make sure the machine is turned off. So once you got the word turn off here, so you can go to the virtual machine you want to upgrade. In my case, I'll just go upgrade on my dummy one. So settings, then go to system. From here you can do some adjustment. Let's say I'll just put this one 8 GB RAM, the additional one or 2 CPUs. So just press OK to apply, then that's it. It will reflect here you adding 8 GB RAM and 3 processor for this image. Hope it helps you guys. Thanks for watching.